Hi, welcome to MarineMax Houston. My name's Skip Pillsbury. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this 2026 Grady White 336 Canyon. This boat's powered by twin Yamaha 450 XTOs. We do have the Helmmaster joystick control on board that ties into the whole system. As we kind of start here at the back of the boat, you'll notice a large fish box located here in the transom. This boat is climate controlled. We can refrigerate or freeze this box. Fishing wise, we've got raw water, freshwater washdown. Nice big bench seat for those rides in or out, which get ready to fish. We'll just drop this down and we can open up this whole cockpit area here. On the back side of the leaning post, you'll notice we've got a live well located here on the starboard side. And then we've got a grill for cooking that fresh catch over here on the port side. Great storage here for tools and gear. We've got a row of tackle trays for easy access for all your rigging needs. Freshwater shower on the back side. And then we also have tool storage, rod storage on the backside of the leaning post and the backside of the T-top. You'll also notice this boat does have a sure shade, power shade that comes off the backside of the hardtop. Big open area. This boat carries an 11-foot 7-inch beam, so plenty of room for fishing and all your other on-the-water activities. We're here at the helm of the 336 Canyon. You'll notice we've got 3 seats across. Big dash. Now this can accommodate up to multiple displays, even up to 19-inch. So we put 2 or 3, depending on the application that you want. We've got our bow thruster controls, Yamaha controls here. We've got our joystick piloting system. This boat is also equipped with the Yamaha wireless remote for the Helmmaster. So we can control this boat, whether we want to go forward, sideways, troll, hit the fish point when you get on the fish. It's almost like having a trolling motor with the Yamahas. Great, great feature. This boat also has air conditioning, diesel generator. There's a reverse cycle heat. We've got curtains to knock down any kind of splash that you may get out on a rough day. Vent here at the front of the windshield. This boat does also have the JL audio stereo system with subwoofer and amp, so really want to crank it up and jam, you've got that at your fingertips. We're here in the bow of the 336 Canyon. You'll notice a big open area up here. We've got our sun pads, fold out backrest, which make it very nice and comfortable up here in the bow of the boat. Get ready to fish, all the cushions snap right up and you have a nice clean area across the bow of the boat. We've got a casting platform insert here, and then we've got 2 more fish boxes located on the port and starboard side. The starboard side will mirror the port side. The beauty about the Grady White fish boxes, everything drains overboard by gravity. No pumps or anything to worry about on your way down. We've got extra seating here. This boat does also have a pop-up bow sunshade. So on those hot sunny days, we can cover this area if you're out trolling, hanging out, kind of doing a little bit of everything. We're inside the console of the 336 Canyon. Notice we've got room for up to 2 adults to easily sleep down below. We've got a microwave, which makes it really nice on those early mornings heading offshore. Rod storage, head. The Seakeeper is actually located down below here. And then we've also got hot water on board as well. So if you need to come down, take a shower, you can rinse off on the way back and you're nice and ready to get back and head to the restaurant when you head back home. Thank you again for taking the tour of this 2026 Grady White 336 Canyon located at MarineMax Houston.